Hi everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fill in the blanks or empty cell in Excel using the cell above, below, left, or right. For example, we have this table here, and we have some representations, let's say Rob, Region West, and the one below it is all blank. Now, let's say you're doing some sort of analysis. You will run into issues if you're doing a filter or a sort because of these blank cells. Or let's say you're trying to represent this table in a presentation, but you want to fill in all the blanks using the cells that are above. You don't want to have any blanks. It's pretty simple. One way, let's say, is go here and just drag it one by one. However, if, let's say, you have a very long list, you're going to run into an issue. It's going to be time consuming. What can we do? It's pretty simple. Select this column, go all the way to the Find and Select, go to Special, from there select the blanks. Now the blank cells will be highlighted with one cell being focused on. All you have to do is, in a highlighted cell, go there, type in equal, and in this case we want the value of the cell above to be carried down. So select A2, and we will press Ctrl and Enter. I'm going to repeat again, Ctrl and Enter, not only Enter. And here you go. All the values are carried down. The good thing is, you're not only limited to one column, you can run this over a range. So for example, again, let's select these two columns, Find and Select, go to Special, select blanks, go here, equal to the one above. Control and Enter. Pretty simple and easy. Another use you can have is, let's say you're going to have some random cells. Let's select them, that you're going to have the same value as this N4. So let's say equals to 100. All you have to do is press Control, select those cells, and then at the end, once you type in the value here, just say Control, Enter. Pretty simple. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, please feel free to comment, like, or subscribe. Until next time, see you guys.